we are going to learn second lesson. What is the second lesson name? Honey Sweet Honey. So let us start the second lesson. Lesson number 2, Honey Sweet Honey. In this lesson, we are going to learn the behavior of animals and the process of collecting honey and its uses. So children were standing in a corner in the village fair eating some sweet meat. A few pieces of sweet meat fell on the ground. Soon a few ants gathered around the pieces of sweet meat to eat. That time Fatima said, "Look here, Radha, how many ants have gathered around the pieces of sweet meat?" Radha said, "Yes, Fatima. See how unitedly they are carrying their food. Even for us also, when we will eat something by mistakenly it fell down means ants will come and eat the sweet, isn't it, children?" Then Tejas, "Oh, look there, how lovely the kittens are." Fatima, "Oh, how white they are. The cat is licking the kitten with love." So cat is looking after their kittens. What are kittens, children? So the baby of cat. Radha, animals also live together like human beings. Don't they? Children, don't they? Yes, even animals also live together like human beings. Means like us. Even we will live together. Isn't it? Yes, Tejas. Yes, my father told me that most of the animals live together. Once when I had been to Nagarhole forest, I saw herd of deer and elephants also in groups. I saw a tiger also, but it was all alone. When we will see in the forest, tiger will go alone always to hunt. But elephants, when they will move from one place to another place or forest to forest, they will go in a group and even in a deer also, isn't it? But tiger will go alone. So same thing Tejas observed when he went to Nagarhole forest. Okay, next, Fatima, look at the dogs fighting for piece of bread. So there was a dog, when children were walking there was a dog and they were fighting for piece of a bread. So Radha, look at the sky, the birds are flying together. So see these birds, they are flying together. How nicely, isn't it? Radha was telling. Tejas, yes, Radha, look at the tree. The monkey is sitting on a branch. Fatima, the baby monkey is holding on the belly of its mother. Can you see in this picture, children? This baby monkey is holding its mother's belly. Radha, oh, what if the baby monkey falls down? Tejas, no, the baby monkey is holding its mother very firmly. So it holds very tightly and firmly, so it will not falls down. So Radha, look there, Tejas, the hen is teaching its chicks how to search for food. See this hen, children. For this hen is teaching its chicks. Chicks means this one, chickens, baby hens. This hen, mother hen, is teaching the how to search the food. Observe the behavior, children. That elephant behavior, they will also go in a group, and the tiger, it will go alone, and the dogs fighting for a piece of bread, and these birds, they will fly in a group together, and this monkey, baby monkey, it holds mother's belly very firmly, and this hen is teaching the how to search the food for its chicks. Observe the behavior of animals, children. Yes, even in your around nearby your house, isn't it? Yes. Fatima, look at the honeybee sucking nectar from a flower. See this, children, this is a honeybee and it's a sucking nectar. It will be in the flower. They will take that nectar, sucking nectar, isn't it? Yes. Radha, come let us talk to the honeybee. So Radha said, come let us talk to the honeybee. Tejas, honeybee, honeybee, where is your hive? Honeybee, look there, my hive is in the tree. That time honeybee said, look there, my hive is in that tree. In this tree we can see these hives, children. Hive means what? That is home of the honeybee. See this one. So Tejas, we see only the bees there. Honeybee, that is my family. Even the honeybee also lives together in the hive. Yes. Fatima, what? You have such a big family? Honeybee, yes, there are thousands of bees in a family. There is one queen bee and the rest are worker bees. So even in a honeybee family also there is a one queen honeybee and the rest of are workers. The worker bees do the work such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee, etc. So what is the work of worker bees? They will building the hive, this hive, they will building the hive and collecting food means nectar from the flower, looking after the queen bee, etc. So they will build the hive, they will collect the food and they will look after the queen bee. These are the works of worker bees. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. So what is the work of the queen bee? The queen bee is only laying eggs. Okay. Next, Radha. Oh, Tejas, your hive looks very beautiful. Honeybee, we produce a sticky material called wax. So have you seen honey children? Yes. So even I hope you taste it also. Isn't it? Yes. Honeybee, how it will be? Is it very bitter? Yes, it will be very sweet. It will be not bitter. Honeybee, we produce a sticky material called wax. So the honeybee will produce a sticky material. Isn't it? Have you seen? That is only honey children. That called wax. We build the hive with the wax. We build it on the branches and in hollows of trees, terrace of the big buildings, etc. Can you see this picture, children? See, on trees, branches, on trees branches and in the hollows of trees, terrace of the big buildings, they will make their hive. Fatima, your food is the nectar of the flowers, isn't it? Yes, Fatima asked to honeybee, what is your food, honeybee? It said, the nectar of the flowers. What is the food of honeybee? The nectar of the flowers. Honeybee, yes, we store the nectar in the hive and eat it when we need food. It is the honey. So Tejas, I too like honey. My grandmother told me that it has medicinal qualities. Yes, children, a honeybee has a medicinal quality. It is good for health. Honeybee, true. Do you know that all the honey you eat is not pure? People mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it. So when we will purchase the honey from the shop, sometimes it will not be pure. Sometimes people mix jaggery or sugar syrup, children. We have to uh, carefully take the pure honey and eat. Then Bhati said, then how do we find out whether the honey is pure or not? Honeybee said, do this. So honeybee will say one honey purity test. So take a glass tumbler, put some water in it, add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. If it mixes with the water before it settles down, it is not pure honey. If it settles down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. So children understood what is the honey purity test? Yes, even you have to do it in your home. Now, do you know which is pure honey? Tejas. Oh, honeybee. Oh, it is getting late. I have to collect the nectar. I have to leave you, children. Honeybee said to other children. So Radha, all right, Honeybee, let us meet again. Fatima, do you know I have seen small bees? They build a hive in the space between stones. Yes, Fatima said she saw some honeybees build hive in the space between two stones. In the little bit space, she has seen the small bees building a hive. So children, here observe, these are the honeybee hives where the honeybees build a hives, means their homes. See here, between the two small between two stones or else branches of the trees, observe the pictures. The size of the bees and the type of the hives are not same. Observe the different types of bees and hives around you. Okay children. Tejas, I have seen the rearing of bees and collection of honey near Nagarhole forest. When he went to Nagarhole forest, Tejas saw the rearing of bees. This is a picture of rearing of bees. How they will collect the honey bees and they will rear, and how the honeybees will collect the nectar from the flower. Then Fatima said, wooden honey boxes are kept in gardens. People get the honey collected in it. Wooden boxes are kept like this, children. People will keep the wooden boxes like this, and they will people get the honey collected in it. Tejas, yes, I have seen such boxes in my uncle's garden. Radha, a lot of honey is used at home. I like honey very much. Tejas and Fatima, we like it too. Do you like honey, children? Yes. Radha, my grandmother tells me that there are other products from the hive. So some more products are there, children, from the hive. The people will make some products from the hive. Do you see honey at home? For what purpose do you use it? Children, ask your mother if you have honey at home, and ask your mother for what purpose you people will use the honey in home, and write here. Sing and enjoy. Bees are going in a big swamps from flower to flower. Here are there collecting nectar. Oh, so sweet. And then they return to their combs. Bees, big and small. How good they look in varieties though, producing lots of wax and honey only for us, not themselves. Preserve the bees who produce honey. Bees are our dear friends. They provide honey for our health. Its is unlimited. So you also sing and enjoy. So next children, this is the which are the other things available to you from the hive. Look at the picture and understand. So this is the hive, and these are the products of hive. The people will prepare the some products from the hive. So what are those? At honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. So when the honeybee will go out, it will collect the nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. The only food that man eats produced by the insects is honey. So the only food man which is eat the product of insects, that is honey. As the ants and white ants burrow the ground and allow the air to pass into the soil, the plants grow luxuriously. Children, see, this is the hive, honeybee's hive. Okay, and next is, as the ants and white ants. These are the white ants, children. Have you seen ever? Yes. So these white ants burrow the ground. Burrow the means they will make the hole, burrow the ground, and allow the air to pass. They will burrow the ground, and they will make it to allow the air to pass in the soil. The plants grow luxuriously, means the plants will grow well. Hives nest ant hills termitaria, and spiders, web, etc. are the wonderful construction of the animal kingdom. So children, so this is the nectar. Sorry, these are the termitaria. This is what? Termitaria, insect. So how the white ant burrow this, and how the honeybee hives are there. So these termitaria will build their houses like this. Can you see, children? Yes. The next is, see this spider. Even the spider also make its house own. How it will be? See, like this. Okay. So next, the ant which carries leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight is called umbrella ant. Have you seen umbrella ant, children? See, like this. When sun rays will be there outside, what they will do? Ants they will keep the leaf on their back to protect from the sun. That time it called umbrella ant. Like umbrella, they holding like a umbrella. So children, I hope you understood the honey sweet honey lesson. So what we should do, and what is the honey purity test, and what is the work of queen honey, and what is the work of workers bees and all. Understood, childrens? Once you read the lesson, then you will understood, childrens. Okay. And children, you should do the honey purity test. First I will show here. Observe, children. So this is honey bees hive, home of honeybees, and this is the pure honey. And how to do the honey purity test? First we have to take a glass of water, and we should put 1 spoon of honey, and you just shake by the spoon, or stir by the spoon, and it should not melt. It should not melt like this, full of water, and it should be stored in the bottom of glass, like this, bottom of glass. If it's like this, it is a pure honey, or else if it is like this, it is not a pure honey. So see here, if it is not melted means it is a pure honey. If it is melt fully in water means it is not a pure honey. Okay, children. So I hope you understood. What is the queen bee work, honey bee work? It lays the eggs. Then who will build a hive for honey bees, and who will collect the nectar from the flower? Worker bees. Okay, children? Yes. And homework is, first is read the lesson once. You should read the full lesson. Second one is do the honey purity test and send the video. Take a glass and water and 1 spoon of honey. You should send the video, children. Okay. And third one is make a small honey bee from chart paper. Okay, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the